Welcome to the Enjoy English Academy podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Academy podcast, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Amma.
Hello, Amma. Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan. How are you today, Amma?
I am good, thank you. But yesterday was very busy. I walked in the park, cooked dinner, and called my mom. And you, Ryan?
I am fine, but yesterday was not a good day for me. I woke up late and missed my bus.
Oh no, that is a bad start to the day.
Yes, a very bad start, but the rest of the day was okay.
Ryan, did you hear what we just did?
What do you mean?
We talked about yesterday, and we changed our verbs. I said walked, cooked, called. You said woke up and missed.
Oh, those are past tense verbs.
Exactly. And that is our topic today, how to talk about yesterday in English.
Ooh, past tense. I really need this.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button, subscribe to Enjoy English Academy podcast, and share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you so much. It really helps us. We love our listeners. Okay, now let's start. When we talk about every day, about now, we use present tense. For example, I walk to work, I cook dinner, I watch TV.
Yes, we practice those in our daily routine episode, right?
But when we talk about yesterday, or last night, or last week, the verbs change. This is the past tense.
The verbs change? How do they change?
For many verbs, it is very easy. We just add 2 letters at the end. E-D.
ED?
Yes. Walk becomes walked. Cook becomes cooked. Clean becomes cleaned.
Let me try. I cooked pasta last night.
Great. Clean becomes cleaned.
I cleaned my room yesterday. Well, a little bit.
A little bit is better than nothing.
Watch becomes watched. I watched a movie last night.
Perfect. Play becomes played.
I played a game on my phone.
Listen becomes listened.
I listened to Enjoy English Academy podcast.
Very good, Ryan. See the pattern? Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Clean, cleaned. Watch, watched. Play, played. Listen, listened. Just add ed.
I like this rule. Very simple.
One more small thing. Some verbs end in e, like like.
Like L-I-K-E?
Yes, it already has an e, so we only add d, not ed.
Oh, I see.
Like becomes liked. Live becomes lived. Use becomes used.
I liked the coffee this morning.
Excellent.
I lived in a small town before.
Great sentences. These verbs are called regular verbs. They follow the rule.
Regular verbs. They follow the rule.
And most verbs in English are regular, so this rule helps a lot.
That is good news.
Yes, but not all verbs follow the rule.
Oh no.
Some verbs are different. We call them irregular verbs.
Irregular. They don't follow the pattern?
Exactly. You just have to learn them.
Okay, I'm ready. Give me one.
The verb go.
I go to work every day, but yesterday go?
Good guess, but no. The past of go is went.
Went?
Yes, I went to the park.
Oh, that is very different.
Eat becomes ate.
I ate breakfast at 8.
Good.
Have becomes...
Had.
I had a meeting last Monday.
Perfect.
Make becomes made. Take becomes took. Get becomes got.
Very fast, Ryan.
I'm learning quickly.
Wake becomes woke.
I woke up at 9.
Good.
Sleep becomes slept.
Yes.
I slept 8 hours.
Go, went, eat, ate, have, had, make, made, take, took, get, got, wake, woke, sleep, slept.
That is a lot to remember.
Yes, but the best way is to use them in sentences.
Tell stories?
Exactly. But first, one more important thing.
What is it?
What if you want to say something did not happen in the past?
Oh, yes, like I didn't go.
Exactly. We use didn't, short form of did not.
And the verb stays normal?
Yes, we use the base form.
So not didn't went.
Correct. We say, I didn't go.
Got it.
I didn't eat breakfast. She didn't sleep well. We didn't watch TV last night.
Let me try. I didn't cook dinner yesterday.
Good.
I didn't come to the party.
Excellent. Now you can talk about what happened and what didn't happen.
A full story.
Yes. Now let's learn some time words for the past.
Time words?
Yes, words like yesterday, last night, last week, last Monday.
And ago?
Yes, ago means before now, like 2 days ago, 3 weeks ago.
Oh, I understand.
When you hear these words, use past tense.
Yesterday, I walked to work.
Good.
Last weekend, I visited my friend.
Perfect.
2 days ago, I watched a movie.
Excellent. Now, I will tell you my yesterday story. Listen carefully.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yesterday, I woke up at 6:30. I got out of bed and went to the kitchen. I made coffee and ate toast with eggs. After breakfast, I walked to work. I worked all morning. At 12:30, I had lunch at a small cafe. I ate a salad. After work, I came home and cooked soup for dinner. Then I called my mom. We talked for 30 minutes. Before bed, I read a book. I went to bed at 10 and slept very well.
Wow, that was a lot of past tense verbs.
Can you name the regular ones?
Walked, worked, cooked, called, talked, all with ed.
And irregular ones?
Woke, got, went, made, ate, had, came, slept.
Perfect.
Wait, you also said read.
Yes, same spelling, different sound.
English is tricky.
Yes, but you're learning well.
Now it's my turn. Ask me questions.
Did you enjoy your walk in the park?
Yes, I walked for 30 minutes. The weather was beautiful.
What kind of soup did you cook?
I made vegetable soup. It was delicious.
And you called your mom? What did you talk about?
We talked about the weekend. She told me about her garden.
Very good, Ryan. You're using past tense perfectly.
I feel like a past tense detective now.
Now it's my turn. I will tell you about my yesterday.
Yes, please tell me your story.
Okay, yesterday I woke up late, very late. I snoozed my alarm 5 times.
Snoozed. That's a regular verb, right?
Yes, snooze, snoozed.
Nice.
Then I jumped out of bed very fast. I brushed my teeth. I didn't eat breakfast. No time.
Oh no, that's not good.
I walked to the bus stop, but the bus was gone. I missed the bus.
Oh no. Missed is regular, right?
Yes, missed. So I took a taxi to work. I arrived at 9:15.
Took is the irregular.
Correct. My boss looked at me. He was not happy.
Oh.
After work, I went to the supermarket. I bought vegetables and rice.
Bought is another irregular verb.
Yes. Then I tried to cook dinner, but I burned the rice.
Oh no. Burned rice.
So I ordered pizza. I ate pizza on the sofa and watched a movie.
That sounds better.
Then I brushed my teeth and went to bed.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept okay, but I dreamed about the bus.
That bus again.
Now let's do a quick quiz.
I'm ready.
Yesterday, I blank to the park. Go.
Went.
Correct. Last night, she blank a delicious dinner.
Cooked.
This morning, she blank breakfast at 7.
Ate.
Last weekend, they blank a movie.
Watched.
2 days ago, I blank a new book.
Bought.
Yesterday, she blank to music on the bus.
Listened.
Last night, we blank well.
Didn't sleep.
Perfect score.
Yes, I love quizzes.
Now everyone listening, try this at home.
Think about your yesterday.
Start with simple sentences.
I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to work.
Then make longer stories, step by step.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Let's review quickly.
Regular verbs add ed.
Irregular verbs change completely.
And didn't plus base verb for negatives.
And time words like yesterday, last week, ago tell us to use past tense.
Got it.
That's all for today's episode.
Thank you for listening to Enjoy English Academy podcast.
Please like, subscribe, and share.
And tell us, what did you do yesterday?
Write your answer using past tense.
Bye, everyone.